have an epic video for you today, full of transformations of outdoor living space inspiration and just the progression of what you can do with an outdoor space over time. We're going to be putting up a brand new gazebo, adding tons of flowers around the backyard. I'm even going to be giving you a sneak peek of my mom's amazing property. You're going to love this video. Make sure you stick around to see it all unfold. Subscribe, like, and share. All right, let's jump into it. I'm so excited for you to see what I have in store for you. Let me rewind time and show you what the backyard looked like after the first major makeover, and we had our first gazebo put up. And although it served us well over the years, we were ready for a major upgrade. And that's why I partnered with Sunjoy in this video to create really a more upscale looking backyard living space with a much higher end gazebo. The gazebo we upgraded to is the Sunjoy 11 by 13 wood hardtop gazebo with 5.5 thick posts, an extra large vent top, netting, and curtains. Now, what I really liked about this gazebo in particular are the wooden posts, huge upgrade from the lightweight aluminum one that we did have. And I really like the second tier vent top to this gazebo. It makes it so much cooler sitting under here, having that extra bit of airflow. This is the aged, weathered cedar, I think. It's a pretty color. Nice and neutral, nice and muted. You're the pro. You've already put one together. So
first thing I would do is to be the most organized is get instructions. We unwrap the parts that we needed. So on the instructions, it'll tell you what piece you need. So this will be the bottom brackets for the beams. So that's our first step.
I'm assuming the other boxes have like the roof?
Yeah.
Each box shows you exactly on the lids what's in the box. So come here and show
That's why I got them over here, but it shows all the part numbers on the bottom.
Yeah.
Inside the box.
Oh, it shows what's in it.
So
Okay,
like
yep.
01, I would look on the packaging.
Yep. So how do you guys like yours? Because you got one too.
Oh, we love it. It's fantastic.
I'll have to put some clips in if I can get some.
Yeah, I have a couple pictures taken, so we'll get you some.
Yeah. While the boys were busy assembling the gazebo, I decided this was a good time to get to work on my vintage tea cart that I got at the Amish flea market a few weeks ago. If you didn't get a chance to go with me on that trip, make sure you go find that video. It's just a few back from this one on my main YouTube page. And I found this for $40. But it needed a little bit of a makeover in order for it to kind of seamlessly go with the rest of my decor. You all chimed in and helped me decide that I should go with a green color. But before I hit this thing with some spray paint, I need to tape off the areas of the piece that I don't want to be green, such as the wheels and the beautiful wooden handle.
In the front. What do you want me to do? Okay, hold on. Not yet.
Oh, actually,
We gotta pick it up, put it on this mat. Here. Okay, pick yours up. You have to figure out where you want it.
All right. So, well, we won't know yet until we can go Cameron's way a little bit.
Yeah. Wow.
I would put your thing up like you did and let it land.
You grab it, honey.
Okay, got that? Well, who's gonna grab the other piece?
Yeah, I can help spin it around if you want. Liz has this.
Oh, I see. Somebody up there.
A couple hours later, and we already had the main base structure of the gazebo up. Everybody chipped in, so I recommend if you grab yourself a gazebo from Sunjoy that you enlist some help of family and make it a nice little weekend family gathering That's what we did. Even though it rained most of the time, we were still able to get this gazebo up in a day's time. On to building the roof. Had to stop because of the rain. Now we're back at it. There's the wooden structure. What I really liked were these arch corner brackets. I thought that was a nice detail on this particular style of gazebo. Sunjoy doesn't just have gazebos, they also have outdoor cooking, outdoor furniture, heating, outdoor lighting, even air conditioners, garden supply, holiday decor, pool accessories, and so much more. So if you're in the market to upgrade any of your outdoor living spaces, please go visit Sunjoy and click the link down in the description box. Also, use my special discount code MapleHome13 to get some extra savings on their already sale prices. Thank you, Sunjoy, for partnering with me on this video. Okay, it's Memorial Day. We've got the gazebo up. And now we're putting together our patio furniture. It's got a kind of nice coastal English country kind of look to it. And it's just in a nice kind of weathered color. So I don't think it'll go nice with the gazebo. And then of course we'll add some pillows and stuff onto it and probably pop in some greens and whatnot. So Cameron's getting that put together this morning. And I've got more gardening to do. Still working on getting this spray painted, our flea market cart. So I've got to do another coat on that. Lots of fun projects. So go ahead and leave it. We're at the garden center. We're at Forex in Lansing. Gonna find some awesome plants. Cameron's not paying any attention. Trying not to get run over.
Yeah.
That's the beer. Oh, they got a food truck. Ooh, I see the fountain. Look at all those pretty colors. Pinks, purples,
Compliments the whole time
yellows.
shopping.
I'm adding some debris just so that the containers don't take up quite as much of the soil that I have. I'm going to add some of this Jack's Blossom Booster. And because I have some of these gorgeous artificial arrangements from Balsam Hill, I thought I would place them around the yard where I typically have a hard time keeping things watered. So I've popped one on my little potting shed here in the window box, We are also going to put a beautiful wreath up on the shed. All the colors complement, and you really can't even tell from afar which ones are the real flowers and which ones aren't, but it has made it much less work for me to have to worry about all these additional things to have to water. And do you recognize this lantern that I got when we went yard sailing recently? Again, another video that you have to see if you haven't watched it yet. This video, you're invited to travel with us down some old dirt country roads looking for those yard sale signs and hopefully find some hidden treasures full of vintage goodies. And you're not going to be disappointed with this video because we do find some amazing yard sales and even an estate sale. Let's look back one more time on where this backyard has started. From the very beginning, just a year or so into us owning the home, we started with a blank slate. We added a new patio that we laid with our own two hands. We gave the shed a big makeover from red to white, and we had just an aluminum gazebo out here that did the job. On top of all those DIYs, we also added a beautiful fence, a darling carriage house shed, and tons of plants and lots of places to garden. So with all of those details added, this is now where our backyard is today and how it's looking. They say that the best thing that you can do for a return on your investment at your home is to do landscaping. And I think it's those outdoor things that really give you the feeling that you have a whole nother place to enjoy outside of your home. And that is so valuable.